Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. I'm Bags Passionate. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is the reveal of a bag that I have bought instead of a Mulberry. If you have missed my video concerning my last experience with Mulberry, I will link it, no worry. So it's time. Let me show it to you. Many of you have guessed it was a Longchamp and they were right. Bravo! I bought the Longchamp Daylong size M in the vegetal color. Look at this beauty. I bought this bag so 1 month after the Mulberry and the experience I had, and since then I'm using it. And that's the reason why I'm going to place at the very end of the video some pics and maybe some, tiny video I have made to show you, because my bag already have some patina. So yes, have a look. It was lighter. This bag was in fact also in my wish list with a Mulberry. I asked to my sales associate, not in Longchamp but in La Boutique du Sac, you know, it's a multi-brand boutique which is also selling Longchamp. And I got really very good relation with them. They are so nice. When I saw that this bag was released, because this Daylong, it's quite particular. This model is called Daylong Chevron to refer to the strap with this type of print. If you look at the Longchamp website, it explains the origin is the chair from the bistro, the French bistro. Because the other Daylong, they do have silver hardware. This one is in gold, and the strap is thinner and all in leather, to tell you everything. And the color are different. The Daylong Chevron comes in some other color. The M size, it's vegetal, mocha, and terracotta. Just to let you know, but have a look at the Longchamp website. I went to the store when they got the bag. I use it, and I fell in love. I fell in love, and I was so disappointed by what happened with Mulberry when I saw this one, which is perfect. Look at the stitches and the glazing, and everything is perfect. I thought to myself, you love this leather. Look, I already have some bags from Longchamp with this type of leather. Or just to mention, this is calfskin, but for this Daylong, it is not mentioned, it is vegetally tan. The Roseau Luxe, it was specially mentioned vegetally tan. So maybe Longchamp forgot to write it, or maybe it's not vegetally tan, but I can tell you, it's the same leather. Just one thing, it is a little bit thinner than the Roseau Luxe. There's just a little different, and this is the one. Other than that, I can tell you, for me, it's the same leather. And so I fell in love. Another thing which was very important for me above the leather, apart the leather, sorry, it was to have a bag in this type of leather with a zip. I know it may sound completely funny, but I really wanted to experience and see the warranty of this leather with a zip, because the pressure on the opening and closure is not the same, and I wanted to see in the future how it turns. So that's also a reason why. And I do not have any zip closure bag like this. So that's the two main reasons, and also the design. I really love the design of the bag, why I bought it. But I'm going to tell you the truth. So the bag is expensive. It retails at 1,045 American dollar or 790 euro. And it does have not very good points, I am honest. The first one, which is completely crazy, is the strap. I know it's beautiful with this strap, it's lovely and so on, but this strap is the worst Longchamp strap I got in my collection. I got the bag in the summer, as I told you, and I will place pic at the end of this video. The material is a pain. Maybe I'm too sensitive, but when you got it and you just have a little tank top, it's horrible. I don't like the feeling, it hurts. And when I'm talking to you about it hurts, I just use it for, around 1 week, 2 weeks maximum, and after I could not more. I'm not using it. Just for the video, I placed it on the bag to show you, but I'm going to reveal you the strap I am using instead. As you can see here, this part, look what it has done to the bag in only, yes, nearly 2 weeks of use. You see? Like this. So when I told you it hurts on your body, for me it's real. No worry, this is not a problem because the bag will soften and change color, so I know it will soon disappear. For me it's not a problem. So for the price, I would have preferred a leather strap, all in leather, and a different one. So I'm not using it, so now I'm going to take it away because in fact, this one I keep it, but I never use it. I no more use it because it's horrible. Bye-bye. Most of the time I'm holding the bag like this. Honestly, if you don't have a coat, you can wear it like this, but it's not optimal. So I'm just holding it like this, but most of the time I'm using this strap. It's also a Longchamp one, also in calfskin. Okay, the hooks are different, they are bigger and in silver, but honestly, I don't care. For me, the most important is my comfort when I am wearing the bag, and so I wear the bag like this, and honestly, it's perfection. I love because it's quite large enough, the leather is so soft, it does not hurt, and voila! And I do think that it matches well. Honestly, it matches well. So the first negative point of the bag is the strap and the fact it does not have bottom fit. I do think that for the price, they could have placed bottom fit. For me, it's not a problem because I don't have it in my bag, but I'm using a kind of little system. It's a hook that you can place on your bag like this and attach to a table or a desk. So perfect when I go to meeting or restaurant and my bag do not touch the floor. But I want to mention it. For the price, yes, those 2 points are quite disappointing, honestly. So now let me show you the inside of the bag. I will write the dimension of the M size. Today I'm having all this in my bag and you can see I still have a little bit space to put some sunglasses and so on. So in my bag I can place my travel book that I use like a notebook for several things, several purposes. I got a tiny agenda for my meetings, just to note them. I've got document of my car. I've got my compact wallet, but I can tell you a continental wallet can fit inside. I've got a compass from Longchamp Foulonné. I'm using most of the time the saffron because I do think it matches well. I got a pen, and so let's see the inside. We've got a lining, which is quite nice because here we don't have a lining. For me, it's not very a problem, but I know a lot of people who love a lining, and we've got it on the Daylong. What is funny is that you see we've got a credit card slot in the same leather as the bag. Very lovely, but they place, look, they just place above the zipped pocket, which is funny to have it on the same size. And the zip pocket is very large and big. Oh, just to show you, the card there, it is different. Oh, it opened like this now, you see. I do think it's more elegant. So we've got this on this side, and on the other side, we do have 2 flap pockets, you see? One here and here, another one where I'll place my tissue because I always have tissue, and my lip balm. Et voila! So, I fell in love with the bag. I paid it full price, but honestly, it's expensive. To be honest, it's expensive, and I have changed the strap. I don't have fit at the bottom, but other than that, I have no regret because the leather quality, the design, and how the bag is made is really good craftsmanship. I can tell, and I love it. The capacity is great. I use this bag from the morning till the night, and it's quite rare for me because, you know, I used to rotate my bags, but when I'm using it for the day, I know I will keep it without any problem till the night. Oh, I can place a tiny bottle of water. I forgot to mention it. This bag is great, honestly, and I am really happy to have added it to my collection. Just another thing, if you plan to buy this bag, the rain. Even if people are telling you, oh, you can spray something against the water, but avoid. I know I live in Provence and we have less rain than maybe other parts in the world. So if you are in a place where there's a lot of rain, maybe know before that this bag you are going to use it only when it's a beautiful sunny weather. So maybe it's not optimal for you to buy a bag like this, but avoid the spray. I know it will let some mark. You can place some cream to nourish the leather, that's different, but the spray, try to avoid, to be honest. Other than that, I do not regret. Look at my collection of this kind of leather. I'm super happy. It's a new design, it's a great addition, and it's super lightweight also. I don't know if I told you, so yes, perfect for all the day. What can I tell you more? Oh yes, I forgot. I got a gift when I bought this bag. They tell me, oh, choose something if you want a ribbon, if you want a keychain, a bag strap. And I choose this ribbon, yes, because I don't have anything with this color. So this is verven, a kind of lovely turquoise. And I don't have in my Longchamp collection any ribbon, silk, scarves with this kind of color, so I go for this one and I love it. So thank you, my sales associate Séverine and Marie. That's all, my friend. I fell in love with this bag. I do not regret. I do think this bag will one day come on sale, so if you really want it and you don't want to pay full price, because I repeat, it's quite expensive, wait for the sale, honestly. But concerning myself, I do not regret. I'm really happy because I repeat, the craftsmanship and so on, everything was perfect. And the strap for me is not finally a problem because I got an alternative. Tell me, do you love the Daylong? Do you plan to buy a Daylong? What's your thought on this Daylong Chevron edition, because they are quite different from the rest of the line Daylong? Let's open the discussion. Thanks for your support. If you keep looking at my video and you are not subby, please, it's free for you and it matters the world for me, so do not hesitate to subscribe if you love my content. To all the CB who support me, thanks a million, my friend. You are sweetheart. Till the next video, take care, I love you, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.